My video project is on Guam. Guam is an island in the Philippine Sea, and we'll be staying there for about 5 days. Budget and time frame. We'll be flying to Guam, and it will take 17 hours and 15 minutes, and for my friend and I to fly, it will cost $8,404. Transportation will cost about $300. We'll be using buses and taxis to get to beaches and restaurants. My friend and I will be staying at a resort that has an ocean view, and it will cost about $800 for my friend and I to stay. I am estimating that food will cost about $500. We'll be eating at restaurants, and we'll be eating local food like chicken and rice. We'll be going to a lot of beaches in Guam, and they have very nice beaches, and it will cost about $100. My friend and I will be doing a lot of shopping in Guam. We'll probably spend about $300. I've heard that Guam has a lot of cool shopping areas. All of this for a grand total of about $10,200. For sightseeing, we'll be going to the Pacific War Museum, where they have a lot of relics from World War II when the U.S. was fighting Japan. We'll also be going to the underwater world at Guam, where they have a lot of cool fish and sharks and such. We'll also be going to the Guam Zoo, where they have a lot of cool native species. We'll also be going to a very famous Yapeo beach in Guam. Politics. Guam is a territory of the United States. They are a presidential representative government, where the governor is the head of the government. And China has a Guam killer missiles, which are kind of scary because they are able to reach Guam, and they could probably wipe it out. Local culture. The men typically wear a skirt, and the women typically wear a skirt and short sleeve shirt. The native language is Chamorro, but they also speak English. While I'm there, the weather will be mostly thunderstorms all week, and the environment is very much a rainforest and very wet and humid, and lots of trees and vegetation. Some animals that are only native to Guam are the Guam rail and the Guam kingfisher. Most people in Guam belong to the Roman Catholic Church, but there are other Christian churches that they belong to. Some people believe in animistic beliefs, which is believing in spirits and animals and stuff like that. Some important religious sites are the Latte Stone Park and the sculpture for Padre Diego Luis de San Victores. They're both located on the Guam Island. A souvenir that I would get would be a knife. I just think knives are cool, and I bet Guam makes some pretty cool knives. I would also get some seashells from the beach to remind me of the beaches. Last thing that I would get would be a shark tooth necklace. And I like sharks a lot, and I've always liked them since I was a little kid. So I just think that would be really cool. And that is my vacation to Guam.